Hello students, welcome to my class. Today we are going to discuss brochure writing. Okay, so here look, previously we have discussed what is pamphlet writing and we also have discussed what is the basic difference in between a pamphlet and a brochure. Normally pamphlets are being written to provide some information regarding something. Regarding something means what? Suppose the question is just like I say the harmful effects of smoking, okay, harmful effects of fast food, or we are going to discuss some of the historical place or places of interest of our country or of our state. That one should be written in pamphlet. But brochures are being written basically for the commercial purpose where monetary benefit is there. Okay, so today I have written a question. Write a one-page brochure for a private educational institution to make the students aware of the facilities. Okay, so this is the question that we are going to discuss. But let me tell you one thing, I will pause and will write down. Otherwise, if I am writing down and it will take too much time, it will be a wastage of time. So let me write down first, then we will discuss it thoroughly. Okay, so let's start it. So see, so here I have written, first of all you have to provide a name to the institution and the name I have given is New Age Institute of Management. Any other name also you can give. I have written in straight line. You also can write down like an arch. Okay, just like a rainbow you can write down like this. Okay, so you can write down New Age Institute of Management, but that one must be written properly. That's why I did write down in a straight line. Then you can give a punchline. Punchline or caption. Caption or punchline is also needed, so that means just like a quotation on knowledge. Just provide one quote on knowledge or quote on the institution, and here I have given knowledge in the path of excellency. Got it? Then write down 2 to 3 lines on the institution. Here I have written a unique institution in the field of management that provides ample opportunity to get the zenith of success. This much I have written. I have not written lots of things. You can write down here, means this part. You can write down 4 to 5 lines. Means about the glory of the institution. Understood? Next I have written courses offered. So first I have written degree in marketing. Second I have written finance and event management. Okay. So few other courses also I am going to write down. You can take a screenshot. Courses are degree in marketing, finance and event management. So see, courses offered degree in management, finance and event management, PGDBM, postgraduate diploma in banking management, MBA. Then salient features, means what are the features of the institution? Classroom with modern teaching aids, highly qualified faculty, provision of laptop to all students, well-stocked modern library, on-campus hostel for boys and girls, sports facility, campus placement. Okay, so here in salient features you also can write down some more points. Okay, then qualification means who can apply? First class graduate of any stream. Procedure of admission is online, written test is the procedure. Then centers, cut-off and Bhubaneswar. Last date of application is 23rd February 2024. Application fees is 500 rupees for everyone. No, means there is no deduction of money for any of the student. Then for further details, contact number is being given and log on to www.news.com. Okay, so here you can add something, just like you can add some new courses, you can add some salient features. You also can write down here qualification. Here I have written. You also can write down placement facility. Okay, means where students are getting the placement and status of certificate. All these things you can add extra. Okay, so taking all these points, you can write down a very good brochure. Got the point? So this much you follow, you can do well. Okay, have a nice time.